Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got a tiny unboxing. Y'all, this is like the smallest box I have ever seen from Diamond Art Club. It's like teeny tiny. So, alright, anyway, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And to all the subscribers I've had from the start, thank you for continuing to come back and watch my videos. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much. And I hope you stick around. And I appreciate all of you. So, continue to please do all the things for YouTube. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And don't forget about my Etsy shop where I sell cover minders. My shop is called Just Minder Business, and the link will be in my description box. So, all right, let's get into this teeny tiny little unboxing. So, with Diamond Art Club, you know that it does have the instructions on the back of the box. This is a round because it has the pink strip, and it tells you right here that it's a round canvas. So what did I get, y'all? I got the coffee cup. Isn't it cute? And it's just a little 22 by 22 centimeters. And like I said, it is round. So, but y'all, the box is just so cute. It's just like teeny tiny. All right, so let's get everything out of here. I just can't get over the box. It's just so sweet. All right, so this is what it's going to look like when completed. And like I said, it's just a teeny tiny little canvas. This is, I guess you could call this a snack size. But it is a 22 by 22 centimeters. And it is by, oh Lord, how do I pronounce that? Hold on. Okay, is it Herb Augustin maybe? I don't know, y'all. If I am wrong and I butchered that, which I'm pretty sure I did, I apologize. All right, so in the kit, in the toolkit, you get, let's go ahead and pull everything out and then we'll stick everything back in. All right, so you get your little blue pen. You get a white boat, clear boat with a spout. You get your pen squishy. You get 2 heart-shaped wax. And you get a ton of baggies. All right, that is like a whole lot. And then you get a 4-placer. And these are the good ones. These are the good white thin ones. All right, so that's your toolkit. All right, now let's see what is in here. All right, so the canvas is very, very soft, just like a normal one. But look at this. It's like a little baby. It's like a baby canvas. All right, so you get your step-by-step instructions. It has a thank you. It has your tips and tricks. It has your instructions, and then it has a 10% off your next purchase thank you code. All right. So it does come with the big sticker, and it has the name of the canvas. It has the person. It has your start and end date. It has your picture, your dimensions, and then it has over here on the side, it has your schematic, your stickers. All right, there are 18 colors, and there is one AB. All right, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. And that is just a special coating that they put over the top of a drill to make it sparkle more. So there's not that many colors in this. All of these stickers are pre-cut. So you can use these on your bags, your containers, whatever. And then all these white ones are just extra. So you get that. And then here's your drills. Now, with Diamond Art Club, these canvases do self-flatten. So you really don't have to do anything to it. But just let it rest for a little while. But it does have the scalloped edges so that it doesn't fray. It has Do What Makes You Sparkle, Diamond Art Club at the top. Even though this is a teeny tiny little baby canvas, it still has both schematics, one on the left and one on the right. And it has the picture and again, all your info down here on the bottom. All right. Let's look at these drills real quick. It also tells what the canvas is and has the canvas number. Is that the canvas number? Well, it tells you coffee cup. So if you do store these separate, it does have the name of the canvas on it. It does have your DMC numbers on the schematic and on the bags. Alright, so we're just going to slide through these real quick. And as you can tell, there's just going to be a whole lot of browns. It's coffee. So just a lot of muted colors. But they are going to be pretty. And there is 141. There is the AB that's in it. Alright. And then we've got some more browns, reds, taupes, peachy looking colors, light browns, dark browns, and one bag of 3/10. Okay. So, like I said, it's going to be a muted colored canvas because it's coffee. A lot of browns. So, hopefully y'all can see this. The canvas itself looks really good. And let's look and see where the AB is going to go. So, all of this right here is the AB. So, the whole pretty much top of the coffee, the white part of the coffee, is an AB. And I think that's the only place that they are. It's just in the white part of the coffee. So what do y'all think? This is just a little bitty canvas. It's just a fun weekend project. Because I do believe you could probably get it done within a weekend. 2, 3, maybe 4 days. Depends on how much you can diamond paint. So what do y'all think? Do y'all have this one? Has anyone done this one? So, alright y'all. Well, little canvas, little video. So what do y'all think? Give me a comment down below. And I guess until my next video, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.